How to create a Temu account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can sign up on Temu app. For this, launch open the Temu app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store. Now on the search bar, you want to search for Temu and then have this application installed on your device. Now you want to tap on the sign in option, or you can also tap on the U icon at the bottom of your screen. Then tap on the sign in/register option. Now signing up on Temu is a very simple process. You want to select any one of these methods. You can use either your Google account, your Facebook account, or your email address or your phone number to be registered on Temu. So go ahead and tap on whichever is appropriate for you. If you want to use your phone number, go ahead and enter your phone number over here. Then tap on the continue option. Now an OTP code will be sent to you. Go ahead and enter that. After that, you want to enter some of your personal details. After entering all the information, you will be successfully signed into your account. You can also use your email address. For that, tap on continue with email option. Now you want to enter your email address over here. Now tap on the continue option. Next step is to create a password. Once you create your password, your new account will be successfully created. You can also use your Facebook account. For that, tap on continue with Facebook option. Now you will have to enter your mobile number or email address, then enter the Facebook password and tap on the login option. Lastly, you have the option of Google, so tap on continue with Google. Then you want to enter your Google credentials. After you do that, your new account will be successfully created. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.